Hi viewers, welcome to Hotspot Programming. Today I am going to explain how to store data in session storage with using React. Okay. Now first I have to open Visual Studio Code and open a folder. I open a folder like session storage and need to create a sample React app with using npx create React app session storage. Okay. Yes, it was completed. Now I'm going to locate the folder. Okay, see here it was created a project, a sample project. There we have source app.js. Okay, we're going to check that npm. We're going to run the command npm start for running the React app. Okay, yeah, it was done, right? It was working fine. Then now we are going to remove this one header section and going to write hello and save. I'll check here whether it was working or not. It was compiling. Yeah, it was running successfully. I don't need this one. Then here I have to display like h1. Yeah, h1 and here I'm going to write like React session storage. Okay, and I'm going to display one input that is text type equal to text and name equal to value equal to some name, right? Okay, here I'm going to create one const some name comma set name equal to use state. Okay, and then here this one. Use state we didn't use here, so we have to import React comma use state from React, right? Yeah, fine. I think one more error. Yeah, this one. Yeah, everything is fine. And here I have to save this text in name actually, so I'm going to write like on change e equal to some e dot target dot value. Yeah, it is going to see here now, and I want to put one placeholder placeholder is enter your name. Okay. One more thing I have to write, like p, it's a p tag, and store name. Stored name is name, right? I'm going to display here the name of the stored name, right? Or yeah, now I'm going to store the name. Use effect. Yeah, it was added. Use effect of arrow function. That was now I'm going to write like sessionStorage dot set item of name comma name, right? I'm going to store this name in sessionStorage, right? Yeah, we'll check now. Yeah, it was not taking anything, right? I'm going to refresh this one, then also nothing it was taking. Remove these braces. Now check once. Oh, forgot to give here this set name, right? Set name. Now check. Yeah, it was working now. Hotspot programming, it was came in store name, and I'm going to check. Yeah, value is store name, right? Name is Hotspot programming. It was working fine now. Yes, that's it from this video, guys. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Hotspot programming. Thank you.